Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 212 Toyota Yaris. This is the hybrid Luna model, finishing in ash grey metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax of €160. It's got a full Toyota service history, and it comes with a balanced manufacturer's warranty. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard with the daytime running lights. It's got the 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork also. It's got a nice size spacious boot with fold down seat, traditional space. Also got the protective boot liner. There's plenty of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats on both sides. It's got the keyless entry. It's finished in a navy and a grey cloth interior. It's got the front armrest, push button start, electric windows and mirrors, multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio, phone controls and the cruise control. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the Android Auto and CarPlay built in also. It's got the reversing camera. It's got the air conditioning, USB port. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox. It's got the automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. It's got the car SOS function. And there's 45,224 kilometers on the clock. At McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this Yaris to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie, where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thanks very much.